Hi, I'm Carla Hall, and we're going to talk about what's on my table. You will see a lot of color, a lot of vegetables, and it's all soul food. How's your soup game? This was one of the first recipes that I tested and I decided to put into Carla Hall Soul Food. I wanted to do a version of the tomatoes and okra that is so prevalent in soul food cooking. Well, I don't like squishy okra, but I love the taste of it. I just didn't like the texture. So what I decided to do was to do the base of the tomatoes in the form of a soup, which you have here. And it's a very simple soup, very humble soup. It has carrots, celery, onions, and canned tomatoes. And you can use water or a vegetarian stock for this. And then I roasted my okra. You can use frozen okra, you can use fresh okra. All you have to do is take the okra and toss it with olive oil. If it's frozen, you have to let it thaw and then dry it out really well. And then you throw it into a really hot oven, like 450, 475. And then you take this okra and you want to get it really charred. You see how charred these pieces are? Don't be afraid of that. Once this charred okra goes into the chunky tomato soup, I'm going to tell you, it permeates through the soup and it is the most delicious thing. But I keep it separate. Okay? So, I'm telling you, this is some good stuff. It's a little spicy. You know when you get a fresh bottle of chili flakes and you forgot that your last bottle was a little bit stale, but this one is the way it should be, but I can't stop eating it. Make this. You'll be done cooking in like 35 minutes. Okay? So good.